Probably gonna be making me a sandwich. Maybe two.
It's 1:30 in the morning, by the way. Open the fridge, you little bitch. What? Fuck you out there, nigga.
Mind your fucking business. I'm making me a fucking sandwich.
Look at this
Sandwich.
Look at this nigga, 1:30 in the morning, making a fucking meat and cheese shit. Open the door, you little bitch.
Can't make it without the paper plate.
Fuck up.
This is gonna be beast.
Mom, kitty beast.
Oh. This was beast when I fucked her last night.
Oh yeah, grab that bread, you little pussy.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah.
Look at that shit.
Oh, I'm getting hard now.
Damn, look at all that bread.
Yeah.
Eat that shit so good, like a nigga with chicken. It's like, tie that bread up. You don't have cheese?
No.
Fuck cheese, it's gonna taste like raw strawberries in a fucking unicorn's ass.
Did you say raw strawberries on a unicorn's ass?
Fuck you, nigga.
Don't fucking curse at me.
Touch that turkey shit, bitch.
Oh yeah, James, eat that meat.
I'm not eating the meat, you are, you bitch.
You're eating meat every night.
Mom eat my meat every night.
Shoving his cock in your mouth.
Oh yeah, place that ham on the bread. Just like I placed my ham on your mom's bread. Oh, that shit looks nasty. That fucking donkey shit in your ass. It's fucking 1:30 in the morning, this nigga's making a sandwich.
You know this?
You don't have mayonnaise or cheese or nothing? Fucking plain ass raw shit sandwich.
None of your fucking business what I do with your mom.
I'm talking about your sandwich.
I'm talking about your mom.
I'm talking about your mom's sandwich.
I'm talking about your mom's sandwich and then the fact that I fucked her last night while she was eating a sandwich that I made for her. And she said it was the best thing she's ever tasted.
That's a raunchy nigga. Oh fuck yeah, eat that fucking shit, bitch. Looks like shit, nigga. Eat that fucking shit. Oh yeah. This shit. We got this fucking cherry juice shit, grape juice, mayonnaise, mustard, jelly, bread.
Yo.
Got that lemon juice
Wendy's.
shit.
Wendy's.
Shit, bitch. That's a raunchy nigga. Look at that fucking shit. Eat that shit. Shove that shit down your throat like a fucking pussy. Shove that shit down your throat, bitch. Fucking take the biggest bite you can of that shit. You little cod, nigga.
Oh yeah.
This nigga.
With my motherfucking sandwich, bitch. You know what? I think I want to drink again.
Uh-oh. This nigga's going for some drink. Get this nigga some grape juice and a chicken sandwich. This nigga be getting Wendy's, bitch. Nigga. Shove that fucking shit. Can I destroy that sandwich? Huh? Oh, I'm rich, bitch.
I'm rich, bitch.
1:29 a.m. Look at this nigga eating sandwich like it's lunchtime. It's dark outside, nigga. You be doing some good shit. That's one wrong with you, nigga.
That was amazing.
Still have another one there, boy.